everybody, welcome back to my channel, and yes, it is that time of the month. Like I said, the time of the month to do extreme couponing to extreme donating. Now, a couple weeks ago, I showed you guys a video that I went shopping and I went to Pick and Save, which is a Kroger affiliate, and I went crazy over feminine products. And then I went back again. I ended up getting more coupons, and I went back again, and the husband's like, I don't want to be couponing, and I'm just like, that's okay, let me grab a couple things, and I grabbed a whole cart full of stuff, and then I posted it on my Instagram page and showed people what was all in the cart. But I want to share with you guys what I got. I have it all in a box, but I want to share with you guys who is all participating. We do this every single month. I've kind of took a break for a while and then I came back, but I love helping out people and showing you guys new deals or new ways to donate than just, you know, do things. And I try to do things differently. I'm also trying to get my kid involved. Last month I showed him, you know, to donate to the pet supplies, which I've wanted to do more often. But the people who are posting this video will be Savvy Coupon Shopper, Ash Loves Coupons, Gina Schweppe, Nicole Burgess, Brittany Tolberg, Amazing Teppy, myself, My Own Identity, Madison Pippins, and Jeff Saves with Coupons. Jeff has started this a while back ago, and I love it because it's great to get, you know, meet a lot of the, or not meet, but just to get in with a lot of the YouTubers. So I'm here to share with you guys what I got. Now, there's a group, and I live near Madison, Wisconsin, okay? I live near the state capitol. There is a lot of people, there's a lot of organizations. Well, there's this organization that is just for moms. I can't remember what the website's called, but it's a place that it's for women who are like by themselves with their children, have no place to go. You know, their husbands did stuff or significant others or something like that. And I thought, and they're always asking for like feminine products because, like, I don't know, when women get together, it's just like, so yeah. Sorry for the guys that are watching. But what I ended up doing is I went crazy at Pick and Save, and I got a bunch of stuff knowing that I was going to donate it. So I ended up also getting some Tenya intimates. Now this is more for like your bladder, I think, or something. I don't even know. I mean, I've never really opened them, but it's more for that. And, you know, people who have had kids, you can understand. But here is the box of everything that I got. Now, I just got some random stuff because some women prefer one or the other. Some women prefer brands. So I ended up putting in here the CVS panty liners because they're panty liners. I also got the Kotex pads. I got a bunch of pads in here because some women prefer pads. So I got a ton of pads. I also have the Poise because, you know, you just can. So I got tons of pads to use. I also got tons of the Click. Now, I had a party once, and there was a mom who was at my house, and she has teenage daughters, and her daughters were so excited to get this stuff. I don't know if it's because it's so discreet. I mean, I don't know how many women or young girls or something, but I mean, it's nice to have something small. So I got a lot of the Kotex Clicks because they're very discreet and they don't take up a lot of room in your purse. I got a ton of the Kotex Light Days, so these are just panty liners. These are my favorite. I love these. I got so much of them. Husband's like, why do you have so much? And I'm like, because I like them. I use them. So why not let people use them? There's like 6 of those in here. So I went crazy with that. And then there's tons of different tampons. I got them like regular, super regular, you know, all that stuff. So this whole box is just full, and I think I have another box that I might go through and just see what I can donate. But I mean, it's one item, but it helps out a lot of women, and I'm super excited to help them out. I gotta put more in the box. But yeah, I mean, hopefully you guys can find places to donate stuff, even if it's just, I got so much crap by me, even if it's just like a little bit. Anything helps. So definitely, you know, try to help your community, even if it's like once every couple weeks or once a month. I mean, the best thing to do is just try to help somebody in need. But also make sure you guys check everybody else's channel out. And I want to say thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys all later. Bye-bye.